Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 41,516 miles, this radiant silver metallic 2010 Nissan Altima equipped with variable transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.